Alright, hey guys, I'm back here with the audio test of the 24-inch LED TV by Vizio. The device I'm going to be using or testing the sound with is the PS3 system. I'm going to be playing a few songs, or 1 to 2 songs, maybe. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go and find a good song here. Oh, this one seems pretty good. Let's see. Put the volume up a little. Sounds pretty good. Pretty decent, actually. You guys, a little bit close. Oops. I jumped a track. Oops. Okay. Let that replay, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys get closer to the sound. So as you guys can tell, it sounds fairly good, actually. It is pretty good sounding. Also, I thought I'd go ahead and point out, let me pause that. I thought I'd go ahead and point out that the speakers are underneath the TV. They are not on the front here. One is right here underneath this part, and then the other is in the opposite spot over here on this side. It's in the underneath of it. Oh, and there's that little LED light I was talking about when the TV's turned on right there. But anyway, let's go ahead and let me set this down just for 1 second. Move to the end of the song where the music gets a bit louder. Okay, so now this is the song that has quite a bit of bass in it and is fairly loud. So here, I'll go ahead and let you guys listen to it now. Get you guys closer. So as you guys can tell, it sounds very nice. But with both of those songs, the first one and the second one that's playing now. So yes, and before you guys ask what the name of those songs are, they do not have any name. Someone created them using a program on a computer, so they're not an actual song. It's just a song that, I guess, yeah, someone made. So, thought I'd also point that out before you guys ask what the songs' names were. But anyway, that's pretty much it. The audio is really good. I think it's personally really good. You guys would have to get the TV and experience it yourself to get the true audio. But, I mean, this will give you an idea of the clarity of it and everything like that. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button right up there. Let me turn off the flash. Go ahead and thumbs up the video. And comment below if you have any questions about this. Well, I don't know why you guys would, but on this video. But anyway, if you do have any questions, just go and comment below and I'll answer them. So, yes, thank you guys for watching once again, and peace.